Hi. Look who's a cow. Can you say moo? Say moo. Look at my cute feet. Say moo. Huh? Hi. You look very cute today in your little moo outfit. Yeah. Huh? Say hi. Hi, Mrs. Moo. Whoop! Mrs. Moo fell. Mrs. Moo's tired and cranky. Hi. What you doing? Are you sleepy? Hey, Mrs. Moo. Hi. Hi. What you doing? You look awfully cute today. Yeah. Today is your first Halloween, huh? Yeah. Oh, she's grinding her teeth on her crib. Ouch. Ouch. I'll let you play with this when I'm done. Deal? No. Is that not a deal? Hi. Hi. You look just darling today. You do? You look absolutely darling. Yeah. Mommy loves you, Mrs. Cow. Moo. Go How does the cow go? That was pretty good, huh? Yeah. Okay. There, that was good. That was a good cow. Krabby Dad. Oh, we're getting Krabbies? But we look so cute. Okay. Nap time. Nap time, Mama. Okay, say goodbye to the camera. Bye, camera. Bye. Give me one smile. Give me one smile. You want to do your trick for the camera? Come on. Do your trick for your camera. Thank you for doing your trick. You kicked total butt. Okay, Mommy loves you. Okay, bye. Bye.